This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Williams. This 3-bed/2.5 bath in the lovely, gated community of Coral Lakes is a definite must-see. Boasting a bright and open floor plan with lake view, this warm and inviting space has charm to spare. This home features many updates including tile floors in the main living area and laminate flooring in the bedrooms. Freshly painted interior and exterior, new roof, water heater, kitchen countertops and backsplash. Epoxy garage floor, AC 2020, all new landscaping. New lighting and fans throughout, dishwasher, refrigerator and washer are all new. This community has a clubhouse which has a community pool, hot tub, volleyball, tennis, pickleball and basketball courts, playground and exercise room. Sidewalks throughout the community allow you to take a walk.